Good day, my dear friends. When I reflect on the life of Zacchaeus in the Gospel of Luke, chapter 19, verses 1 to 10, I see a mirror of my own heart. How easy it is to chase accomplishments, comfort, or financial security and stability, thinking they will make me whole, happy, only to the end of the day feeling strangely empty inside. Many are rich but not happy, like Zacchaeus. And Zacchaeus had everything people usually admire: wealth, influence, status, and yet something in him was still aching and painful, so much that he did something undignified, unbecoming of a rich man, and almost embarrassing. He climbed a sycamore tree just to catch a glimpse of Jesus. I realize I have my own sycamore moments too. Times when the vacuum inside, the emptiness inside of me pushes me to look for God in my mess, in my longing, and in my quiet questions. And just like Zacchaeus, Jesus stops right where I am. He looks at me with understanding and invites himself into a part of my life I keep guarded. When Zacchaeus welcomed the Lord, he welcomed him with delight, with joy. And that joy didn't come from money, didn't come from success or approval or status. It came from finally encountering the one who could feel that wealth and money never could. His story reminds me that when I let Jesus come close, when I allow him into the spaces I thought were too broken or too busy, a different kind of happiness begins to grow and to spark in me. A happiness rooted not in what I own, but the God who sees me, calls me, and chooses me to stay. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, let us remember that life is empty without God. Life has no meaning at all when God is absent. Like Zacchaeus, welcome the Lord with